Students, I hope you understood how to find the place value and face value of a given number. Next topic we have to study is about the expanded form. Before going to the expanded form, let's see. I hope you all of you got the textbook. Then now we have to do the exercise from your textbook. That is exercise 1.1. I think the page number is 79. In the page number 79, your exercise 1.1 is given. Let's see that exercise. That is insert commas, exercise 1.1. 1.1, insert commas according to the Indian place value system and read the given numbers. Commas according to the system and read the numbers. I'll do one question for you. Rest of the questions I'll give you the, if you don't have the textbook, I will send the exercise 1.1 through the WhatsApp, so you can do rest of the numbers as homework. First one I'll do for you. That is A 2 4 7 7 5 6 3. We have studied the Indian system, how to name the numbers in the Indian place value chart, or according to the Indian place value system, how to read the, how to put the commas and read the numbers. We have seen that. Let's see this. That is, first we have to put the commas, count the places and put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds in Indian system. This is the way to then put the comma, then next 1000, 10,000. Again put the comma, then lakh, 10 lakh. Now let's read the, put the commas, then let's try to read the number. That is, how many lakhs? 24 lakhs. How many thousands? 77,563. We have to write that number. That is 24 lakh 77,563. So this way you have to do two more questions are there. The two more questions you have to do yourself. Put the commas and read the or write the names in Indian system. Next question is, write the numerals for the given numbers. Write the numerals for the given names. Right. Second question, write the numerals for the given number names. Here number names are given, we have to write the numeral. Numeral means you have to write in numbers instead of words. You have to use the digits and write. That is 3 crore. First question is 3 crore 59 lakh 23,500. Sorry, 100. name is written here, that number name, instead of number name you have to write the numeral. You have to write in number. Okay. So let's read this number, and it is in Indian system. 3 crore 59 lakh 23,500. So the first one is 3 crore. We know that in Indian system, in crores place there are 2 digits. But here only 3 crore is there. So in crores period, it will come only 1 digit, that is 3. After 3 crore, we have to put the comma because it is in crores period. Okay. Next, move to the next period. That is after crores period comes the lakhs period. So how many lakhs are there? 59 lakh. So 59, 2 digits are there. 59 lakhs. Again put a comma. After the lakhs period we have to put the comma. Then see how many thousands are there. Next period is thousands period. So 59 lakh 23,000. How many thousands? 23. There are also 2 digits. Okay. 23,000. Then comes 500. That is in. So we know that there are 3 digits in one spirit. That is 500. 500. That is 500. Tens place nothing. Ones place nothing. So we have to fill the gap by putting the zeros. In every place there should be digit. So we have to fill the gap by putting the zeros. So 500. So that is 3 crore 59 lakh 23,500. This is the way we have to write the numeral. Numeral means number you have to write for the number name. This is called the number name, and it is in the numeral form. Okay? Clear? Okay. So in the same question there are 3 more questions. In second question there are 3 more questions you have to do yourself. That is in the textbook it is there, you have to do. Now next you have to write the successor and the predecessor of the following numbers. Successor of, first you have to write the successor. Successor of 5,63,899. Then next you have to write the predecessor of 25,64,389. You have to write the successor of this number and the predecessor of this number. Children, be careful when you write the spellings of successor and predecessor. Write properly. Don't make mistake. Many of you have made the mistakes of spellings of successor and predecessor. Okay, don't make mistakes. So here successor of 5,62,899 is, you have to plus 1 to this. To get the successor we have to add 1. That is 5,63,899. Next number. After 899, which number comes? 900. So that is 5,63,900 is the successor. Now we have to write the predecessor. To get the predecessor, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 or minus 1 from the given number. That is 9 minus 1. Here you have to, in the ones place only there will be change. That is 9 minus 1 you get 8. That is 388 you will get. That is, we have to minus 1. So that is equal to 25,64,389. 9 will become 8. That is 388. This is the predecessor. Successor and predecessor we have already seen. So you have to do the rest of the. There are 2 more questions that you have to do in the notebook. Exercises you have to do in the notebook. Then in the page number 85. In page number 85 also there are questions, that is exercise 1.4, because we have studied the Indian system and international system together. So we have to do that exercise 1.1 and 1.4 together. That is in 1.4 it is written insert commas according to the international place value system and write in words. International place value system also we have studied. There are 3 questions. You have to do it yourself in page number 85. Then write numerals for the following number names. that also in international system you have to write. I hope you will do it in your notebook and send it to me through the personal WhatsApp. Many of you did not send it and most of you have sent it and I have corrected, and some of the students I have called and cleared the doubts. I hope you will do the same and try to submit the homework on time. Okay, thank you.